Hello everyone. So let us continue with the same definition we started in the previous video. That is to read a range of numbers from the user and a single digit. And we need to search out all the numbers in that range which contains only single occurrence of that digit. So we have created three text boxes. So that is text box 1 for the lower limit, upper limit, and the search digit. So all these values have been called in the variables a1, a2, a3, and I have converted the first, that is the lower limit and the upper limit into numbers. And the search digit has not been converted. Now, this definition is going to use the concept of regular expression. So if you do not have idea about the regular expression, maybe you would want to search out a few details before you continue. And I'm going to use the same code that I generated in one of the earlier videos. So I'll give a card to that video, first go through that video and come back to this video because there is a minor change in this video and I'll be able to convert the same old definition of reading a number and searching for all the numbers which contain the digit to the new definition, reading a range and a number and uh, uh, extracting all those numbers where that digit occurs but only once, so single occurrence. So as with the earlier logic, I'm going to check if there is any conversion error or if the limits are wrongly entered or any value is negative, we'll throw an error. So if none of these cases, that means the numbers are valid, we will go ahead and write in our code. So first thing, we'll convert the two numbers into integer numbers and check actually they are integer numbers and that the search digit is actually a single digit from 0 to 9. If that is the case, we're going to create this num variable which is going to have all the numbers concatenated by the end of the logic and which will be used for showing the output. And since this is regular expression, I have used pattern, and that search digit is passed as the pattern, and that is created as a new regular expression using this method. And then the logic goes from first number to the last number and the pattern is tested against the ith value, and if it is found, the number is added to the string. Now we are going to make a change here. If you execute this code, you would realize that it was searching for all the numbers where the search digit was there, whether it was single occurrence or multiple occurrence, that number was appended to the string. Now we are going to restrict this to searching only numbers which contain only single occurrence. So we will have to reconstruct our regular expression string. By the way, the forward slashes are automatically added when you are creating the regular expression. So you will not be including it when you are creating the pattern string. Now what I actually want is that from the beginning, so I'm going to use the caret sign. So from the beginning, I want to create a set of values which does not contain the character which is there in A3. So I'm going to use the concatenation and put in A3 there. Again, I'll be concatenating and finishing this character set. So that's the closing bracket. So 0 or more times. So this should not occur. That is the basic idea. Then we really want that the A3 should be there. So I'm adding A3 again. So concatenating it. And then I'm again going to exclude A3. So I'm interested in not having A3 in any of the previous numbers. I'm not interested in having an A3 in any of the following numbers. I want an A3 only once. So I will recreate my second character set saying that A3 should not be there. And finally, I will close the character set saying 0 or multiple times till the end. So if you were to just look at the string, it would look something like A3 should not be there. So let's say if A3 is the digit 0 that is entered. So it should not contain a 0. and then there should be a 0, and again there should not be a 0, and till the end of the string. So this is what I have generated using the current pattern. This is the only change you will have to introduce to convert the earlier code into my new code. So this is how your pattern should look. And if you give a try to this coding, it should work. So let me just show you. So if I enter say 100 and 200 and I'm looking for all the numbers with digit 5, you will see that 155 is not included. So just to give a try, let me take the search digit as 1. So you will see that the numbers from 110 to 119 are not included because they contain the digit 1 twice. Rest all the numbers where the first digit or there's only one digit 1 has been included. To give a try again, let me take the digit 2 and see. So I'm getting all the digits except 122. Right, so this is how your code should be. This is the only change. So check out the earlier video, I'll give a card to it, and then come to this video. It will be very easy for you to understand. Take a dry run of this in case you are not able to understand how this is working. So see you in the next video with another solution to the same definition.